Hello and welcome to.
Why are the curtains blue?
And today we are going to discuss the very warm film Do
Do
Duni
Duni
Char.
Char. It's a very popular film with us. I don't know if it's very popular with other people, but it's a great film. And if you haven't watched it, you must watch it.
It is one of the most emotional films I've watched, and I know that from the get go, I feel like we have both disagreed on the genre that this film falls in because I feel like it's one of those like it's gonna remind me of so many things in life, and it's so like sad almost. I don't know.
Why is every film for you sad?
Maybe I'm just a sad person. I don't know.
We established
I
that.
think we've discussed this.
Yes.
But it's a film about aspiration, about family, about एक छोटी सी दिल्ली की family है, middle class family है, और वहाँ पे कैसे उनका एक सपना है कि वो गाड़ी खरीदे. And that whole film with multiple events
Yes. Multiple characters, multiple events doing some type of jugaad work that makes them get a car.
Yeah, that
somehow
contributes
the
to it.
only goal in which is a very good thing because usually sometimes you don't understand what a film is trying to do, what the characters, what their goals are. Here it's very clear.
Yeah.
उनको एक कार चाहिए
उनको
बस
एक कार चाहिए पूरे फिल्म में और कोई उन्होंने कुछ नहीं डिस्कस किया होंगी और प्रॉब्लम्स होंगी
एंड आते हैं प्रॉब्लम्स कार की वजह से भी आते हैं प्रॉब्लम्स पैसा नहीं है उसके लिए क्या क्या करते हैं वो सब है पर उनका जो गोल है वो एक ही है उनको गाड़ी चाहिए
Okay, so let's start with like why they want this car in the first place. One is obviously social status, and then there's the sister who comes in.
Yes, so Rishi Kapoor's sister comes in, and there's this wedding happening in her side of the family. And she insists that Rishi Kapoor's family comes with a car. She
Yes.
doesn't care how they get it, but they must come in a car, not by a bus, not by a train, not by anything. They have to drive and come, which is, of course, a social status
Yeah,
thing.
it's. I feel like there's so many material possessions like गाड़ी खरीद ली, मकान खरीद लिया. These are all like markers or milestones of how successful you are as a person.
Exactly.
And it's also kind of like a statement to society that look, I'm doing fine and I'm kind of doing better than you almost.
एंड अगर सबके पास गाड़ी है और हमारे पास नहीं है तो फिर लगता है
हाँ.
कि I'm not as good as the others.
Correct.
And for Urmi, who is Santosh's sister in the film, if her family shows up at her in-laws' place without a car, it's like कुछ तो वो बोलती भी है कि मुझे एकदम साइड कैरेक्टर बना देंगे मुझे एकदम ताने मारेंगे which is of course this should not be a thing but it is very much
क्यों है थिंग बट उसके भाई के पास गाड़ी है या नहीं उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है आई एम नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग
सोशल स्टेटस
It's-
घर में
yeah.
जो सोशल स्टेटस है ना बहू का वो बदल जाता है
या
which is very sad.
Let's discuss the family. There's Payal, there's Sandeep. There's also obviously the return of the off-screen, on-screen pair of Rishi Kapoor and Neetu Kapoor. After 30 odd years, they have paired themselves together in this Disney-backed film actually. First live-action Hindi film that Disney ever kind of made.
Which it didn't feel like a Disney film. When we saw that it's a Disney film, we were like, but where are the princesses?
No, but it is also because Disney is always about moral lessons at the
Yes.
end and how children become honest or how the bad always loses and honesty is what gets you fruit in life.
Right.
So I feel like it is also
Right, and
kind of Disney.
if they're talking about a family film, this is the most Indian family film that there can be because
Yeah.
the kids are in focus, the parents are in focus. It's not like बस एक जन की story चल रही है सब लोग हाथ जोड़ के पैसा कलेक्ट करने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं you know it's like how does one family contribute to the amounts of things that they're doing or trying to achieve.
Yeah, I'm gonna start crying again. Guys, we
don't
were
cry.
discussing
Please
this
don't cry.
film, and I kept crying. I don't know. I just feel like it's so. There's no whenever there's like middle class representation, especially in Bollywood, it's either caricature or it's basically poverty porn. I
Yeah.
don't think there's ever like a middle ground of just them being people. This is a very normal reality. This struggle is not, it's considered a privilege, I feel, in our country almost, that their struggle is to buy a car. They have a house, they have a family, they have health.
Education
Period.
also.
Education. Where the father is able to tell his daughter that नहीं तुम्हें जाके ये ट्यूशन का काम नहीं लेने की ज़रूरत है क्योंकि मैं नहीं
अपने
चाहता कि तुम
college पे
काम
focus करो तुम.
Yeah.
Which
But
is
poor
it is a
thing-
privilege I guess.
I guess even in college, she's facing all these issues of her friends having cars, and she doesn't have a car, and she's just like,
And she doesn't even want an Alto. She wants like a good car.
A good
Alto
car.
nahi chalega.
but last में तो ऑल्टो ही खरीदते
But
हैं
that
वो।
is so sweet that at the end everyone comes to a compromise and the family gets into an Alto and they're roaming around Delhi.
And then it also shows in the end, I feel the climax shows that like there's traffic and they have maintenance fees and they have to pay for petrol and Payal is driving instead of
Yeah,
Rishi Kapoor.
yeah.
And that I've seen in my family when like my dad was the driver, but I don't drive, I can't drive, I'm scared of driving. But my sister now drives us around and I sit in the
Yeah.
front seat. And I was thinking about this and I was like, this is such an adult thing to happen where your parents are now sitting in the back seat and y'all are sitting in front and then that they show.
Yeah.
So it also shows like a very real thing ki even after this 2 hour thing that we watched of them getting the car, it doesn't end with a montage. It ends
Yeah.
with a very real experience of abhi mil to gaya, abhi iske baad maintain bhi karna hoga.
Huh. But still, again, it's not sad for me because they are together. The point of the film, the happy ending of the film is that this has not driven a wedge between them. They are all together. And that's so sweet.
At the end, like when Neetu Kapoor, she sits in the white Alto and she's like, she wears her sunglasses and she's just like so proud of her.
But what a great job Neetu Kapoor has done, no?
She's too good.
Okay. Oh no.
No, it's the sunglasses scene because I feel like I've seen this in even with my mom sometimes. Like when I do something for her, which is not which is an extravagant experience that she may not have experienced before. The way she feels cool about it. That's the goal, right? Like when if I've like booked her a spa day or something like that, then I see her feeling edgy, and I'm just like, that's so sweet.
Yeah, it
like
is.
You're just a gal at the end of the day.
Yeah, and you're feeling like you've gotten something that you haven't had for so long.
Yeah.
And you might have wanted, but she never expresses that she wants it also.
Yeah.
You know, but then she gets it and she's proud of it.
Hmm.
But how is it that Neetu Kapoor returning to the screen after years and also being from a very privileged background after, you know, being the successful actor, married to a great rich family, why is it that we can see our mother in her? You know? It's
Even
not
in
like...
Rishi Kapoor.
Hmm?
Even in Rishi Kapoor.
And Rishi Kapoor, who has never been middle class.
Literally. Yeah, that's true. I've read somewhere that he used to sit with the assistant directors who were from Delhi and he would repeat and discuss his dialect with them constantly on set, and that's kind of how he got the Delhi
Yeah,
lingo on.
yeah.
And the thing is, I've lived in Delhi for 4 years and he sounds exactly like an uncle from Mayur Vihar or Pitampura, and it's real.
Yeah.
It feels, but how? Like, maybe
See,
they're just great actors, of course.
I think being actors for years and years, of course, helps. Another thing is, I feel both are Punjabi. You know, maybe I don't know what their ghar ka language must be, but it must be a Punjabi sort of Hindi. So then, of course, they're from Bombay, but then going to a Delhi place where they also speak in a way where it's Punjabi influenced might have been easy for them to.
That's also true. They do have a North Indian
Yes.
this thing.
They don't seem very like English and like
Anglicized.
Yeah,
no,
not
they
at
are
all.
very proud of their Punjabi this thing also.
Exactly.
In most interviews, even Kareena Kapoor will
Yeah.
speak about just like
I think that whole family, they don't sound very like posh or poised or anything, which is a good thing.
Yeah, which is a good thing.
Because they connect with the audience.
That's true. Which is why they have so many successful massy actors also, I feel. Well, we love Rishi Kapoor. You guys know that. We are fans of a lot of family films that he's been in.
We've covered Kapoor and Sons and now Do Duni Char, and I think Do Duni Char really showcases his acting prowess because he's like the main character. Yeah. But, you know, I think I've watched more films of Rishi Kapoor as an older actor than his younger films.
Same. I don't.
Yeah.
I think. Yeah. But
I mean, I don't...
naturally though.
Because we are younger.
Yeah.
Yes, of course. But I also feel that...
You know that thing where you imagine an actor like my father, when he imagines Amitabh Bachchan, he imagines him from Diwar.
Yes.
I imagine him from Pa.
Really?
And I don't, in the sense that
Yes,
was my favorite
that
film of
age,
his.
yeah.
But I mean to say, I imagine him as a person with white hair. I don't,
Yeah.
I identify with him as a father role.
Yeah. I remember
with
him as
Rishi
Kabhi
Kapoor.
Khushi Kabhi Gum.
Yes, correct,
the
correct.
father. Yeah, Rishi Kapoor also, I see him as the father figure or
Yeah.
the Dadaji in Kapoor and Sons. But what I was trying to get to is, I think the lived experience of him actually being a father, him being a family man, being married for those many years, maybe he became more authentic as an actor in his elder years, like later years.
Yeah, I think complexities of life really add to your ability to be a good artist also.
Yes.
And I'm sure being a father and a husband and a family man are
Yes.
complex things to experience.
And then having your wife with you while you're acting.
Yeah.
You know, that I can't even imagine being married for these many years and having these issues perhaps. Maybe it's not about an alto, but maybe it's about like a bigger car.
house. Yeah, yeah.
A house.
You know? And I'm sure even very successful families go through financial issues.
100%.
I think that's why the movie is relatable also because I mean I could come up with 5 things that are related to off just thinking about the summary of the film. And
Okay, yeah. So 5 things that you related to or you loved in this film. I'll do the same.
Oh, okay. One, we can do one by one.
Okay, fine.
Okay. My first one is everybody contributing and working towards a joint financial goal. As an 8-year-old, I remember thinking about
What can
budget or what can I do or will this help, etc.
Like we were discussing, the red file that he brings out and he has all these, you know, इतना टैक्स में पैसा गया है, इतना रिपेयर में पैसा गया है, इतना and while he's showing this to his sister to prove that he can't buy a car, he's also like he's eaten a hearty meal of like dal chawal and his hands are still dirty, but
Yeah.
he's like I'm showing. I just felt like all these things made it so authentic.
The scene in college, and I think they shot in Kirorimal, which I've been to the college, like when I was in college. So it was very sweet to see it. I think that college scene also of like the Payal comparing herself to her friend, that hit home a lot, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it was a good friend of ours who was not trying to make her envious, but it was just the event of things and how, like, you know, sometimes your friends don't even know that something that they have is what you are constantly like struggling with, maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know. Like as a kid especially, you know, as an
Right.
adult you don't think about these things so deeply and
Not as much.
not as much, or maybe
Yeah.
like you've understood that you can find opportunity, but as a kid you're just like उसके पास lunch like Chili's जाने के लिए उनका budget ज़्यादा है.
हाँ.
And that really like hits you, and even till date I feel like when I do certain things that I couldn't do or that I compared myself to, feels better.
Yeah.
Feels very excited.
Yeah.
Anyway, that
But
was a long
was
one.
Payal the character that you related to most?
No, I related to Sandeep actually.
Really?
Yeah.
The messed up kid.
Because I was the younger sibling.
That's true. One of my favorite scenes is when Sandeep is in the rickshaw with like his girlfriend or whatever, and they're trying to do something, and then he just freaks out because उसको कुछ call आ रहा है, and then वो रोक देता है गाड़ी, and he gets out and he starts to like break his phone.
हाँ.
I thought it was very well
Oh,
done.
dude.
It's just too funny. That character is too
He's
funny.
too funny, Sandy. I wish
Yeah.
they still like did more stuff if you guys are watching.
Yeah, please. Where are you guys?
Where are you? Deepu, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था तुम Sandy बन गए. That's also very true. Parents think that they know their kids.
Yeah.
But he's literally gambling.
Yeah.
And he has no clue.
He's hiding his money in a fish tank.
But what were the moral lessons since we discussed that?
Yeah.
One was, of course, this gambling one where he tells Deepu that when he finds out about his gambling collection, he makes him give it out to kids on the street.
Yeah.
And then at the end,
Deepu turns around and says, Papa, इस बच्चे को नहीं मिला, आप अपने pocket से दे दो. And then Rishi Kapoor takes out money and gives it. And, you know, it's just a wholesome moment of,
yeah.
I did something wrong, I'll give away my money. And it's a very warm father-son moment because I think father-sons have it tough.
That's true, especially Indian ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he asked him, आपने मुझे डांटा ही नहीं एक बार भी about this whole thing. And it's so true.
And
like,
sometimes fathers don't because they're like, यही punishment है ना, he was freaking out anyway.
that's true.
So और क्या डांटना,
I wish
डांटने से
more
कुछ होगा
parents
नहीं.
Did that.
Didn't shout.
Didn't shout and
I
just
know.
taught them a lesson. Like, what? That man is never going to gamble if he's going to spend that much time on collecting that much money and then his father just gives it out.
Yeah.
I wouldn't do it again.
Yeah.
Like, wasty ho gaya.
I also feel like now you can't blame parents only for shouting because they are also like, they don't know what to do. They are taking out their frustrations, which is obviously don't take it out on your kids, but
I mean, also.
yeah,
What
what
can you
else? Another way they were really like they thought that they're going to get a car is by buying all this detergent.
Oh my god! I love that
One of the
scene.
best things about this movie.
I feel like it's one of the best scenes that have ever been made about this particular genre of things. The desperation
Yes.
of the bourgeoisie. Well, not the bourgeoisie. actually.
Not bourgeoisie at all. The opposite.
Proletariat. That's proletariat and bourgeoisie.
Bourgeoisie, I know.
Huh. The pleb one.
The plebs.
The pleb. What were we even saying? Yeah,
The detergent scene.
The desperation and the stupidity of it all. They have spent so much money. I was so frustrated in that scene because they kept cutting up money. It felt like they were tearing money
Yeah.
in that scene.
Yeah.
You know?
And just pouring it and getting nothing. I think they got one mixie.
Yeah.
At least mixie तो मिल गया उन्हें.
At least mixie तो मिल
But
गया.
that
वो
scene,
स्टोरेज कहाँ करेंगे वो
वही तो
detergent?
मैं सोच रही थी क्या करने वाले उसके बाद. They
जगह
can't
तो
keep
थी
it.
नहीं घर में वो तो बार बार they were discussing that only how Deepu
They
wanted.
should open a laundry store. But ये convenient हो गया ना, फिर कहाँ गया laundry detergent?
फारूकी से अगर उसने गाड़ी ले ली उसके गराज में रख दिया होगा जुगाड़ तो बहुत करा उन्होंने
कुछ तो कर लिया होगा.
I'm sure
इतने
कुछ
सारे
कर
लोग
लिया
होते हैं, बेच दिया होगा अपने
people
neighbors को.
people in that class of society I think are more helpful to their friends. We've discussed this in another episode I feel. You had said that I was like they are helpful.
Because
There's
maybe
no need-
in
there's a
another
need.
class of people, there's no need.
And that probably makes you more apathetic as a person.
Yeah.
Which probably means why you become a better artist.
And you know, we also live in such distant apartments with big walls, and you don't see into another person's life unless they want you to see it, right?
That's so true.
But if you're living in Lajpat Nagar, where the houses are small and they're right next to each other, you know what is going on. If someone is shouting at their child about what, that other person knows.
That's true.
So then, obviously, I'll be like, अच्छा कुछ problem हो गया मैं offer कर देता हूँ कुछ. फारूकी साहब भी उन्हें बोला कि मेरा गाड़ी ले लो. Even though they come and it's like dented or whatever. They are very helpful.
Dude, I was watching Kyuki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi last night. I've been watching that a lot.
What?
I've been watching Kyuki Saas. Anyway, there was a lovely quote that was said last night on last night's episode where there and I swear it's amazing. हमारे घर कच्चे हो सकते हैं लेकिन हमारे फैसले पक्के. Right? And that was so true.
About this film also.
I mean, they didn't have a kacha house. It wasn't that bad. But it was still like a determination. There was unwavering determination in
Yeah.
that film. They were okay with everything.
And they were dignified about it, especially because Rishi Kapoor's character was such a good teacher, you know, he was a reputed teacher. He never took part in corruption until the
He had
film's
offers to
events.
get 1 lakh rupees from his rich student's father to pass him in the exam. But
Yes. And he toyed with it because he was in a very grave situation. But at the end, that's another scene I really love. At the end, when they're at McDonald's and the deal is being done, and an old student.
Papa Burger!
Yes. And an old student.
Papa Burger!
Enough now! My God!
That's how he speaks.
Yes, I know.
He keeps interrupting you.
But this old student of Rishi Kapoor comes up to him and says, Duggal Express, ab Duggal Express ho. And that other kid was also annoying, Papa, इन्होंने आपको math सिखाया? And the student goes, हाँ, maths ही नहीं, इन्होंने हमें honest बनना सिखाया and ये सिखाया, वो सिखाया. And the girl sir is just there like, oh shit, मैं तो अभी यहाँ corruption करने आया था, मैं पैसे लेने आया था. But that really, you know, the reputation, it's okay if he doesn't have money, but the reputation that he's garnered over the past 30 years of teaching,
Yes.
that also has some value.
It does. It does. And it's very underrated value. Teachers are the most underpaid and over exhausted parent figures
Yeah.
as occupations.
And it's like one of the most
It's
it's
such
one
a
of the most
responsible
important
job.
roles
Very.
of a person's life,
They
their
are
teacher.
quite literally curating the morals of the country. So when you ask people to remove certain chapters from academics, you are handicapping the teacher from being able to like condition this
Yes.
child
Uphold
into
the
a,
standard.
yeah, into making them a whole person. Like
Exactly.
anyways, side note though, but like it was really nice to see the respect that they were giving to the profession in the film as well.
Exactly. And that's when the movie kind of finds its ending, where it's like, you don't have to be the richest, you don't have to have the most money and all. And especially if you're doing it through corrupt means, then you're not a dignified person. You know, which is good to have a film that says that.
Yes.
You know, we don't see that very often.
Yeah.
You see ways of getting rich, and that is the moral of the story. Oh, I have to be rich. But not that it's okay to say no to money to keep on your, you know, just
Dignity,
respect,
yeah, respect.
dignity, morals.
There are also many almost actually now that you say it. One is of course the betting where they already had
Yes,
cash.
yes.
Then there is the bribe where they again already had easy cash.
Yes.
Then there was the detergent, maybe they could have found it almost again.
Yeah.
Then the Faruqi, of course we'll get into Faruqi, but like Faruqi's car also, that was also an almost where he didn't have to spend money. So there
Yes.
would be no gain, but there would also be no loss of cash. There were so many almost, and I feel like that's also a very big characteristic of that strata of society where you are so close to your dream and you're almost touching it, and
Yeah.
somebody takes it away or somebody
Yeah.
like something goes wrong.
And also there's this tipping point कि अगर मैंने एक बार scam करके पैसा ले लिया तो मैं तो कितने बार भी कर सकता हूँ ना. Then there's nothing stopping them. And the fact that this family has gone through other people manipulating them. Like in the shadi when they take the car and they get manipulated by that police officer who says कि मैं बता दूंगा कि आपकी गाड़ी नहीं है, आप मुझे पैसा दो. They are getting scammed. They have to give their hard. Neetu Kapoor has to put her
Jewelry for
क्या बोलते हैं उसे,
गिरवी.
गिरवी रखती है अपने jewelry and then she give the money, and so they are getting like from everywhere their money is going. They are getting manipulated. There is a lot of corruption, but still to have that heart and be like नहीं, हम लोग सही तरीके से करेंगे, हम लोग को ऑल्टो ही खरीद सकते तो बस ऑल्टो खरीदेंगे.
बट उस टाइम पे आपके पास वो है क्या? आप अगर योर कम्युनिटी इज योर बिगेस्ट पावर बिकॉज
Yes.
you are a bigger force together. Your dignity is your biggest power. Your respect and your honesty is your biggest power. There's not a asset, a material asset that you're attached to at that level of desire of just owning a car.
Yeah.
There are not many things that you're physically attached to. So
Yeah.
you really cling on to these things.
Yeah.
And I've seen this in so many like people, even like my dad is also like interest लेना हराम है, and हम बचपन से बोल रहे हैं आप ये प्रॉपर्टी को रेंट पे डाल दो, ये कर दो या ये कर दो, इसको लोन पे चाहिए था तो मैं इंटरेस्ट नहीं लूंगा क्योंकि वो है. And it's just I'm just like why can't you just
This is the
suck
way
it
the
up?
world works.
Yeah,
You know,
yes.
like do it.
It's so frustrating, especially when you have healthy parents sometimes who are thinking right. I feel like it's very oddly frustrating for a
Yeah.
kid. I'm sure every kid has gone through this where their parent makes an honest decision and you're just like, why can't you just be?
Yeah, just like उनके parents तो ये कर रहे
हाँ.
हैं, उनके पास तो इतनी बड़ी गाड़ी आई है.
We are
But
also
then-
शर्मा जी के शर्मा वाले के पापा जी
हाँ, exactly.
भी तो कर रहे हैं, आप क्यों नहीं कर सकते?
But then I think now, after having grown up, I'm so glad that my
Yes.
parents took those decisions. and
100%.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm a much better person than I naturally would have been
Yes,
instinctively.
100%.
I don't think either of us are very instinctively
Good.
polite. Yeah. No, we're polite.
Scorpio.
Scorpio energy, yeah. It's very...
I think I could have been very manipulative and got what I wanted. I think I can still be, but what I want is not money. So that doesn't fall into scam.
That's true.
That territory
No, but you
of
can
like,
scam people in other ways. It's the conditioning that has made you resistant to it.
Yeah.
I also feel like I hold back on certain emotions that I experience. I feel like there's value in the things that they showed in the film, which
Yes.
is of raising a as moral as possible
yes.
family that you can raise. You're doing your best.
Yeah.
And that's cool to watch.
Yeah. And even if everyone else goes away, but you have your family, that's all you need.
Yeah.
Your morals are correct and your family is there with you, that's all you need.
And a couple detergent packets.
Yeah. Maybe 1,000 to
Yes.
last a lifetime.
Why not?
But the fact that the costume, the art design of the film, it was all so rooted in Lajpat Nagar, you know. It made you forget that you're watching a movie, and it made you think about your own, you know, it was so relatable that there are instances every time I watch the film, I think about, you know, it's good that I didn't take advantage of this situation, or it's fine, I'm having these troubles, you'll figure it out. They always figure it out.
Very feel good, actually. Sad, I think. Now you've changed my mind.
Yeah?
Yeah. By the end of this episode, I don't think it's a sad film at all. I feel
a
nicer
very-
about the
Hopeful film.
very hopeful film.
Yeah. You're still making a face though.
No, I'm like thinking now, and I'm like, wow, it has changed my opinion. Like we started the episode with me being really like, I guess sad about memories.
Yeah.
And now I feel happy about the memories, which is cool. It felt like I was watching the film right now.
We were really going through it. It's just playing in my mind. Like different scenes, the characters, the dialogues are just playing in my mind.
Even the set design that you're talking about, I feel was so real in the like papdi hoga, diwar pe. That aquarium also I feel is a very middle class thing, having an aquarium.
Yeah, 100%.
You know what I mean? Fish is the easiest pet to have.
And it's like something in your house, it's moving, there's some LED light also in
Life
it.
in your life, in
Yeah,
your house.
yeah, it just spices up
Did you
the
have fish
thing.
growing up?
I actually, oh my god, yeah, I had for a very little
They do
slice
live
of
very
life.
little
Yeah,
lives,
yeah, and then after that I was like, I don't want to take care of it, but I did have
Yeah.
in the middle.
Bro, mine would keep jumping off and killing themselves. Like literally, they would just fucking jump off and kill themselves.
Why? What did you do?
I don't know.
You didn't feed them
we
or what?
did a lot. Maybe that's why.
Wow. Or maybe they. Oh, you know
Maybe
what?
overfeed.
One of my cousins, she has fish or she had fish, and she fed the fish too much, and the fish doesn't know when to stop. So the stomach
Burst.
burst.
Oh, I've seen this happen.
It was terrifying.
Yeah.
Terrifying.
Maybe eating and being too rich also tears your stomach sometimes.
Nice
That's why.
one. Nice one.
does,
Bringing
right?
it back.
You become a skeleton of a person, if I must say so. Without the. When
Yes, yeah. Because then I started thinking about how rich people starve themselves also.
Right. That's true. Literally getting. Anyway.
Anyway.
Like, people often discuss how Bombay has two sides of economic spectrum very drastically different from each other. You have an overview of the slums from a very fancy apartment. Then you have Delhi though, which I don't think people discuss how different they are. There are ghettos in Delhi. Like the north side is a very specific side. When I was when I was in college, I was very close to Model Town and all of those areas, and that was not a very posh side of Delhi, I would say. And then there was South Campus where we used to go for other debates and stuff, and that was a very posh side. And I was like, the difference in the roads and the dialect also of people and how they behaved or how
Yeah.
they, I don't know, everything was so different. And I don't think people speak about the dichotomy of
Delhi.
Yeah, they always like Mumbai, but Delhi is also extremely different
Yeah.
from one area to the other, from one metro station to the next stop.
Completely
Changes. It's crazy actually. Even the
Yeah.
line like red line, yellow line, blue line, kind of based on
The different
richness.
Yeah.
It is. Like the violet line sounds like a rich color also, and
And
it is
it is
on
a
a
rich color.
yeah.
I don't know all of this. It's good to
Yeah.
hear this. I mean, not good, but like I understand Delhi more.
Yeah,
I think
you
now,
know?
and maybe they pay more attention. Maybe Delhi people pay more attention to how rich a person is, maybe. You know, दिखावा वहाँ
There
ज़्यादा
is.
होता है.
There is, yeah.
बॉम्बे में शायद अगर ये फिल्म बेस्ड होता तो maybe they wouldn't have cared that much about the car,
Yes.
you know.
It is a big statement in Delhi to be
Yeah.
even like yeah.
They want to turn up well. Even if they go to a शादी, they want to have कितने कंगन उसने पहना है वो फर्क पड़ता है.
मुंबई में तो वो शॉर्ट्स पहन के चप्पल पहन के सोहो हाउस पहुंच जाते हैं सब.
हाँ.
लड़के तो यहाँ पे you can never tell what's happening with them. The girls at least put in an effort. The boys here are just like,
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Yeah. But they wear a lot of like
Logo here.
logo and like sweatshirts. Like इतनी गर्मी है क्यों
How
पहन
are
लो
you wearing
sweatshirts यार?
sweatshirts, guys? Anyway.
Anyway, but this is a good movie for Delhi. If anyone wants to do a thesis on Delhi, I think Do Dhuni Char would be one of the films to watch.
Yeah. And Delhi 6.
Delhi 6. Band Baja Barat also makes me feel
Lots
a lot
of
like
Delhi films.
Yeah.
We should tell us if you think we should do an episode based on cities and movies based on
Yeah.
those cities.
We spoke a lot about Calcutta.
Yes.
But maybe we should do like, Delhi episode, Bombay
Yeah,
episode.
that would be
It'd
fun.
very cool. We should do it.
Okay, great, guys. We have come up with an idea. My closing thoughts on this movie are best movie ever. I have watched this with my mother at least 5 times as a kid growing up in different phases of life. I think it's just too good. If you haven't watched this film, chop chop. And
Get up and watch it right now.
truly beautiful. Your closing thoughts?
My closing thoughts are we haven't spoken about Habib Faisal, who is a magnificent writer and he's also the director of this film. And just the way that he takes something simple and makes you feel so much for it. You know, he assigns value to things.
That's true.
To
And it is his
relations.
debut film.
Debut film, just masterfully done.
Truly beautiful. And our gal, Aarti Auntie, has edited this
Aarti
film.
Auntie, Aarti Bajaj, the
Let's
great
go.
editor, has done a great job.
Awesome.
Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know if you liked this episode.
Like, share, subscribe. ज़रूर करिएगा दोस्तों. शुक्रिया.